This help video is how to produce a list of groups. This can be achieved by using quick reports. This example will explain how to produce a list of all groups present in the school. So from the main menu, if I select on Reporting and Quick Reports. So from the report type, if I open up this drop down and scroll down, and I need to select the group type Quick Report. And then from the bottom, if I select Add to create a new report. So from the top of the screen, you have the report owned by. This will show your class login and is linked to the permissions. So now I need to name the report. So if I change this to groups present, then you can be selective by school. And then you have the date filter. So if we're looking at all the groups present in the school, this would need to be set as present. Then you can set the date range that you want to report on. And then underneath we have the permissions. So public permissions, this means that other users can amend the criteria and run this report. Public read only, other users can run this report but not amend criteria. And private, only the owner can amend and run the report. I'm going to leave this as public. So now I need to add the fields to the quick report. So if I select on Add Item, I'm going to open up the group fields and also select on Group again. So I'm going to select on the group name. So I'm going to add this to the report. If you use the Control key on your keyboard, you can select multiple fields at the same time. So I'm going to select on the group name, the from and to dates, the duration, number of bookings and number of arrivals, and select on Add. So all those fields have been added together. So I'm also going to add the agent name. So if I close up the group fields, open up Main Agent, and double click on Name. So there's several fields you can add to this report, but for this example I'm just going to leave it with these few. So if I now select on Close, and I now need to add a sort field. So if I click on Add Sort, so if I select on Group, open up Group, I'm going to sort by group name. Select Add and Close. One other thing to mention is at the top you have the Exclude Cancellations. This will exclude any cancelled groups. So once you're happy with your selection, you can click on Search. So this will display the number of groups that match your selected criteria. So you can see we just have one group present in the school at the moment. And you also have the option to send the report to Excel. Just another few tips. Within the group type quick reports, you can also use the criteria to be selective by a number of other fields, for example, country, agent, or any analysis fields. So we've now come to the end of the help video and I hope you found this useful.